Alright, so let's check out this system I put in this truck right here. This is the father-in-law's truck. It's got a CT sound stereo. Doesn't really even look like there's anything in there. You can lift this all the way up. The seats are all the way back. These are the amps right here. 900.1, an AT60.4, the LC7i, two 8-inch Tropo subwoofers, custom box by yours truly. There's the port right there. That port goes all the way across. It's tuned at 40 hertz. It's a very big, sort of long port. It goes all the way from there to there, and that's the chamber on that side. Check out how hard this thing hits. So from this side, you can see that there's literally barely enough room for the speaker. When you flip the seat up, this little plastic dude pushes on the top of the box and holds it back and leaves a little cavity right here where the speaker can move. Right here you can see there's just enough space for the speaker to move without hitting. You can see that it isn't rubbing at all. It's been like this for well over a year. And that's how small it is right there, very small. You're talking probably 2 inches on top and maybe 6 inches on the bottom. And there's a little foot down there, so you still have a cubby hole to put tools and stuff underneath of that seat right there.